Hey, good day everyone. Check out this propane forge I have here. Here's everything that came in the box, just pulled it all out. The box itself comes with a pair of gloves so you don't burn your hands, a couple of fire bricks, some tape, these pieces here for the gas line, and then the propane connection line as well. And this just goes right down into here. Okay, now that that one's on there really tight, it's going to be the same thing for this one. Go ahead and put that thread tape on there this way. And we're going to connect it right here. All right, there we go. Got that all connected. Now this thing just goes right down in here. These two things line up with these slots right there. All right, I got this thing set up and ready to go. Got it hooked to my propane over there. You can adjust it right here too. All right, you guys, very happy with this forge here. I can heat up, form metal, bend it how I need it, make all kinds of different stuff. Great for blacksmithing. Can also melt down, you know, some lower melting point metals, aluminum, copper, that kind of stuff too. So great little forge here, perfect for hobbyists and aspiring blacksmiths. All right, thanks for watching everybody.